Now tell me anyone, what's the last problem? Tell me. What's the last problem?
B minus A by 1 plus B square, ma'am.
That one only, right? దాంట్లో మన ప్రూఫ్ వర్క్ అయింది కదా,
Yes, ma'am.
నెక్స్ట్ డిడక్షన్ 2 ఉన్నాయి కదా. Okay, now I'll continue the deduction part. Is it clear, all of you? That one only na pending for the last class problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now write down. I'll write the proof of that question. Yesterday we proved this b minus a by 1 plus b square less than or less than tan inverse b minus tan inverse a less than b minus a by 1 plus a square. Okay, this is the last class we proved this from that following deduction part. For that, first one, whatever the first one, ma, pi by 4 plus 3 by 25 less than tan inverse 4 by 3 less than pi by 4 plus 1 by 6. We have to prove this one from the above part. Let us take what we proved yesterday. Let us take this as the second equation. Okay. From that, assume any two values of AB. A values తీసుకుంటే then we got this deduction part. Tell me, ma. Let us take two values of A and B. What is A and B here? Tell me any one. A values తీసుకుంటే we got this deduction part. Any idea? Let us take B is equal to 4 by 3 and A is equal to 1. B is equal to 4 by 3 and A is equal to 1. Substitute in the second equation. From that, 4 by 3 minus 1 by 1 plus 4 by 3 whole square less than tan inverse of 4 by 3 minus tan inverse 1 less than 4 by 3 minus 1 by 1 plus 1 square. Okay, from that take the LCM of the numerator, that is 4 minus 3 by 3 by, okay, 9. 4 by 3 whole square means 9. For that LCM here 9, then 9 plus 16 by 9 less than tan inverse 4 by 3. When we got tan inverse 1, what is the angle of the tan inverse 1? Pi by 4. Tan inverse 1 angle is pi by 4 less than 4 minus, here the LCM for the 4 minus 3 by 3 by 2. Okay. From that, 1 by 3 divided by 25 by 9 less than tan inverse 4 by 3 minus pi by 4 less than 1 by 3, 1 by 6. 3 into 2, 6. Here 3 3 is 9. From that, 3 by 25. I'll take minus pi by 4 on this side, that is plus pi by 4 less than of tan inverse 4 by 3 less than 1 by 6 plus pi by 4. Okay, this is, we proved this one. Okay, hence proved from the second equation. ఇదే కదమ్మా మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాల్సింది. Therefore, this is the first deduction part. Note down, all of you. Note down this. Is it clear? Any doubts? All of you got it? Any doubts, ma? For the first deduction. Finished? Finished this? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Okay. Next. Second deduction. Whatever the second deduction part, ma, I'll take that. Second question. Okay, from that 5 plus 4 by 20 less than tan inverse 2 less than 5 plus 2 by 4. Okay, this is the second question. From that ఈ డిడక్షన్ పార్ట్ రావాలంటే వాట్ వి ఆర్ అస్యూమింగ్ ఫర్ ది ఏబి వాల్యూస్ టెల్ మీ ఎనీవన్ ఏ వాల్యూస్ అస్యూమ్ చేయాలమ్మా
1, 2, ma'am.
1 2 what is a value a 1
1,
or
ma'am.
b a is 1 right b is 2
2.
okay then substitute in the above equation that is 1 2 minus 1 by 1 plus 2 square less than tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1 less than 2 minus 1 by 1 plus 1 square that is 1 by 5 less than tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1 means that is 5 by 4 less than 1 by 2 that is 1 by 5. I'll take minus 5 by 4 on both sides that is plus 5 by 4 less than tan inverse 2 less than 1 by 2 plus 5 by 4. Okay, from that LCM is 20 that is 4 plus 5 by less than tan inverse 2 less than 4 plus 2 plus 5 by 4. This is the proof for the second deduction. Note down all of you this. If it finished, just tell me, ma. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next question, write down, ma. Prove that. Next question. Prove that 5 by 6 plus 1 by 5 root 3 less than of sin inverse 3 by 5 less than of 5 by 6 plus 1 by 8. 5 by 6 plus 1 by 5 root 3 less than of sin inverse 3 by 5 less than 5 by 6 plus 1 by 8. ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్లీ క్వశ్చన్ ఏముందమ్మా ప్రూవ్ దట్ ఇది లెగ్రాంజెస్ యూజ్ చేయాలా రోల్స్ థియరమ్ యూజ్ చేయాలా అని ఎక్కడ లేదు నాన్న డైరెక్ట్ గివెన్ ప్రూవ్ దట్ 5 by 6 plus 1 by 5 root 3 less than sin inverse 3 by 5 less than 5 by 6 plus 1 by 8. For that solution, let us take same as previous question. From that condition, let us take function as f of x is equal to sin inverse x. Okay, in closed interval a comma b. Okay, first verify is it differentiable or not. Now what about the differentiation of sin inverse x? Tell me anyone. 1 by sin inverse x differentiation.
One minus x square.
Intra 1 by root 1 minus x square. Therefore, f of x is differentiable. F of x is differentiable. And if it is differentiable means from that f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous. Therefore, two conditions satisfied from Lagrange's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem. F dash of c is equal to what? F of b minus f of a by b minus a. What is f dash of c here? 1 by root 1 minus c square is equal to what is f of b? Sin inverse b minus f of a is sin inverse a by b minus a. Let us take this as the first equation. Okay, from that, okay, if we know that c belongs to ab, from that a less than c less than b, from that I am taking both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides, that is a square less than c square less than b square. From that I am taking the negative sign minus a square. If you are taking the negative sign means less than will greater than of minus c square greater than of minus b square. From that I am taking both sides adding with 1, that is 1 minus a square greater than 1 minus c square greater than 1 minus b square. From that I am taking root of 1 minus a square greater than of 1 minus c square greater than of root of 1 minus b square. From that I am taking the reciprocal, that is root of 1 minus a square. If you are taking the reciprocal means again greater than will be less than, that is 1 by root 1 minus c square less than of 1 by root of 1 minus b square. From that 1 by root 1 minus a square less than of, what is 1 by root 1 minus c square? That is sin inverse b minus sin inverse a by sin inverse a by b minus a less than of 1 by root 1 minus b square. Okay, this is the proof ma. Ikkada direct question lo ivalledu proof and particular ga డిడక్షన్ పార్ట్ ఇచ్చేసి ప్రూవ్ దట్ అన్నాడు. అంటే ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రూవ్ ద కండిషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ అస్యూమింగ్ ఏ బై వాల్యూస్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఓకే, ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఏబిని అస్యూమ్ చేసి వి గాట్ ద ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ ది గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, హెన్స్ proved by Lagrange's mean value theorem. From that I'll write it as b minus a by root 1 minus a square less than of sin inverse b minus sin inverse a less than of b minus a by root 1 minus b square. Write down continuation. My place like an in rasuna. Let us take this as the second equation. Hence proved by Lagrange's mean value theorem. Hence proved by Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay, note down all of you up to here. After that I'll continue. After assuming from the proof I'm assuming a and b values. Copy అయినాక చెప్పండి. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
The first part come. Malar copied up to last time. అందరు కాపీ చేశారా లేదురా? బై మిస్టేక్ అండి నేను రబ్ చేసా. కాపీ అయిందమ్మా?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Then tell me the proof of that. b minus a by root 1 minus a square less than of sin inverse b minus sin inverse a. Okay. Less than of b minus a by root 1 minus b square. They got a proof. Let us take this as the second equation. From that, let us assume a and b values. What are the a and b values for this? A is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 3 by 5. A is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 3 by 5. For that, substituting the above equation, that is 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2 divided by under root 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square less than of sin inverse 3 by 5 minus sin inverse 1 by 2 less than of 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2 divided by root 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. For that, take the LCM of that is 6 minus 5 by root, okay, 1 by 4 here, that is 4 minus 1 by 4 less than sin inverse 3 by 5 minus sin inverse 1 by 2 ante what is the angle of that ma? 1 by 2 ఎప్పుడు ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది sin ki? At 5 by 6 less than 6 minus 5 by here 10 ma, 6 minus 5 by 10 divided by here 25, right? That means 25 minus 9 by 25. Okay, from that 1 by 10 divided by root 3 by 2 less than sin inverse 3 by 5 minus pi by 6 less than 1 by 10 divided by root under root 16 by 25. That means 4 by 5. From that, I'll take minus pi by 6 here. That is here 2 5s are. That means here this has 1 by 5 root 3. I'll take minus pi by 6 on both sides. That is plus pi by 6 less than sine inverse 3 by 5 less than 5 twos. That is 1 by 8 plus pi by 6. Okay, this is the proof for the given question. ఇదే కదా మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాల్సింది. Then note down this. No. Class social distance. Finished? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I give one more question for the practice? Okay, I'll give one more question on that. All are copied? All are copied this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll give one more similar type of question. Prove that pi by 3 minus 1 by 5 root 3 greater than of cos inverse 3 by 5 greater than of pi by 3 minus 1 by 8 using Lagrange's mean value theorem. Using Lagrange's mean value theorem. Note down, mark. Same as previous question. Let us take here the function as f of x is equal to cos inverse x. Okay, now continue చేయండి. Fast చేయండి. Same as cos sin inverse x. After that, I'll give one more question for the graph. Here the function is f of x is equal to cos inverse x. Ma, is it differentiable? Is it differentiable?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the differentiation of the cos inverse x?
minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square.
Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Continue చేయండి fast. So anyone got it, ma? అయిందా చేస్తున్నారా? Can take the attendance, మా అంతలోపు చేస్తుండండి, అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకుంటా. Okay, give your attendance. D1, D2, D3, D4, D4 ma. D4, D5 present, D6.
Present, ma'am.
D6 present. Ma, your roll number?
D5, ma'am.
Okay, what about D6? Okay, D7 present, D8 present, D9 present, E0, E1, E2, E3, E4 ma. E3, E4.
E3.
E3 present. What about E4? E4. Okay, E5, E6, E7, E8, E9. Who is E9? E9 ma. Absent. F0 present. F1. F1. Next F2, F3, F4, F5. F5. Next F6, F7, F8, F9. G0. G0. G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6, G7. G7 ma.
Present,
G7 present. Okay. G8, G9, H0, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. H5 ma. 6, H7, H8, H9. J0. J0. J1. J2. J3, J4, J5, J6, J7, J8, J9 present. K0. K0. K1, K2, K3, K4, K5. Okay, F1 present. Okay, next F5 present. Oh, who is Sandeep? Sandeep, your roll number?
G7, Sandeep.
What ma? G7 ah?
G7.
Rename with your roll number ah? Full busy or not to know? Okay.
I'm done, mom.
Huh?
G7.
Okay, G7 present only. Okay, absent is D4, D6, E4, E9, G0, H5, J0, J2. Huh?
Ma'am, G0.
Present ah?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, J0, J2, K0 absent. Okay, how many are finished this question, ma? Now I'll continue with the next question. Finished? Finished? మా ప్రూఫ్ వచ్చిందా ఇది 1 5/3 minus 1/5 root 3 greater than cos inverse 3/5 greater than 5 by 3 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 8. All of you got it? All of you got it? Same as sin inverse x. Girls side, anyone finished this? Huh? Okay, now I'll take one more question. Using mean value theorem, for 0 less than a less than b, prove that 1 minus a by b less than log b by a less than b by a minus 1. From that, show that 1 by 6 less than log 6 by 5 less than 1 by 5. 1 by 6 less than log 6 by 5 less than 1 by 5. Got that answer? Okay, same as previous questions. Let us take here what is the function from these conditions. Then each function ఏమవుతుందో చెప్పండి. Let f of x is equal to what? Log x, right? In closed interval a comma b. From that, f dash of x is equal to what? 1 by x. Is it differentiable? F of x is differentiable. It is differentiable means definitely it is continuous. F of x is continuous. Okay. In closed interval a comma b. Okay. By Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay. F dash of c is equal to what? F of b minus f of a by b minus a. What is f dash of c here? 1 by c is equal to f of b means log b minus log a by b minus a. Okay, let us take this as the first equation. From that, okay, here c belongs to ab. From that, a less than c less than b. Let's take the reciprocal of that, that is 1 by a greater than 1 by c greater than 1 by b. From that, 1 by p less than 1 by c less than 1 by a. That is 1 by b less than, what is 1 by c? Log b minus log a by b minus a less than of 1 by a. From that, I will take b minus a by b less than log m minus log n, that is log m by n less than b minus a by j. From that, I will take b common here. After taking common b cancel, we get that 1 minus a by b form. Less than log b by a less than b by a minus, I am taking here a common, that is 1. Okay, this is the second equation. Hence, it's proved by, what we have to prove, this one only, right? Therefore, hence proved by Lagrange's mean value theorem. Proved by Lagrange's mean value theorem. This is the first part. From this, show that, next question is show that 1 by 6 less than log 6 by 5 less than 1 by 5. Okay, let us take AB values. Let us assume AB values from that. What is A and what is B? Ma? Here A is equal to how much? A is equal to 5. Let us assume A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6. Substitute in the second equation. From that, 1 minus 5 by 6 less than log of 6 by 5 less than, okay, b means 6 by 5 minus 1. From that, take the LCM, that means 6 minus 5 by 6 less than log 6 by 5 less than 6 minus 5 by 5, that is 1 by, here I'll write 6 minus 5 by 5. From that, 1 by 6 less than log 6 by 5 less than 1 by 5. Okay, hence prove this. Okay, this is the final answer for this given question. Okay, hence proved. ఇదే కదా మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాల్సింది. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రూఫ్. నోట్ డౌన్ ఆల్, నోట్ డౌన్. మా ఫినిష్డ్, ఫినిష్డ్ మా. మా ఫినిష్డ్.
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే,
Yes, ma'am.
ఇంకొక 2 questions ఉన్నాయమ్మా, చాలా సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, ఓన్లీ లాస్ట్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ దట్ యూనిట్, దట్ ఈస్ కాషీస్. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ వి విల్ కంటిన్యూ విత్ దట్. ఓకే, మాక్సిమం ఈ వీక్ రేపటితో అయిపోద్ది యూనిట్. నెక్స్ట్ 2 క్లాసెస్ ఆర్ మండేతో అయినా, ఇంకా మీకు థర్డ్ నుంచి అంటున్నారు కదా ఎగ్జామ్.